Hello and welcome back to another creative list. I'm your host Angela and I hope you enjoy. Today I have a very exciting video with over 25 ideas to upcycle your old jeans into new clothes from the fantastic creators at Pinterest. There are some really beautiful ideas on this list and I'd like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I'll recreate the winning ideas. Simply leave the number you're interested in within your comment. Less talk, more watch. Let's check out what these fantastic jean artists have to share with us today. This purse was made from a pair of jeans. You could use children's or adult jeans for this project, depending on the size you want. Either directly close the bottom part of the pant, or create an oval to sew to the bottom of the purse to make it more three-dimensional. Gather and apply your most beautiful buttons, ribbons, and flowers to the outside of the purse. Finish it with a natural cord looped through the belt loops as shown, and you have got yourself a beautiful purse. This corset looks really easy to make. Cut off the legs of one pair of jeans, then you'll cut them into the length you want your corset. Next, cut the seams off of one side of each pant leg to make a flat piece of fabric. Once you've done this, sew the two pieces together to create one long piece. Cut the piece the proper length to fit around your midsection, remembering we want the front to be open to show the garment underneath. Hem the two ends, then place your grommets and lace it up. Good job! It looks as though this artist used the top part of the jeans for the top part of her top, and then she cut the legs off to fit around her arms. For this look, you'll either have to hand paint the design on the fabric or use iron-on transfers. Either way, you have some very unique jeans. And open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. This skirt was made by using a light color pair of jeans and a dark color pair of jeans. The jeans have been taken apart and put back together, swapping the waistline, pockets, and the base of the dress. Leave the front open and use some of the leftover denim to close the back of the skirt. What a cute little belt and wrap! There is definitely enough fabric in a pair of jeans to make this unique piece. This corset top is really unique. I love how the top layer allows for a curved seam to fit nicely. And I really like how the underbust area has buttons just like a pair of jeans. This project would call for 3 colors of jeans. This beautiful skirt uses the top of a pair of jeans coupled with layered paisley fabric. I like how the bottom of the skirt has various points. This outfit was made by taking a pair of overalls and turning the bottom into a skirt. There will be a tutorial for turning jeans into skirts coming soon. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on all of the creative content. The creator of this piece did such a beautiful job. To make this yourself, use a bodice pattern and then several pant legs to make the rest of the dress. Add vertical gathered strips to the skirt, and you have yourself a fancy denim dress. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe and notification button. Please share this video with someone who would like it. This skirt is really easy to make. Simply cut the inside seams off of both pant legs. Then sew fabric in a triangle shape between the two legs. That's it, you're done. You have a cute skirt. Make a skirt out of several pant legs and the waistband of a pair of pants. Then cut the skirt up one side to the waistband and hem both sides. Use grommets to make holes, and lace up the grommets downward and stopping at the 3/4 mark. Open up the seam on the insides of each pant leg. Sew the back two legs together to make the back of the skirt. You may need to add extra fabric to ensure that the front shows both the pant legs and the triangle of fabric. Add a triangle piece of fabric to the front, add a flower, and you are set. For this project, if you have pants that are really tattered at the bottoms, you can make shorts, or just use some shorts that you have lying around. Now, all you need to do is find some trim at your local craft store and sew it to the bottom of the jean shorts. Small change, big upgrade. Start by opening the seams on the inner pant leg. Next, sew the back two legs together and the front two legs together, creating a skirt. Before sewing together, be sure to cut the pants to the length of your skirt, adding seam allowance. On either side of the middle of the pant leg in front, cut a slit that goes up about 3/4. Attach a triangular piece of fabric to the parts you just slit. See the picture for reference. Be sure to hem everything when you're done, and you have yourself a cute and unique skirt. First, cut your jeans into the desired length of jean you would like to show on your skirt. Then, open the back and front inner leg seams and sew them back together to make a skirt. Cut the bottom of your jeans in the desired flow. Take a long piece of fabric about 1 foot or less in width, gather and sew all around the perimeter of the jeans part of the skirt. You will notice that the bottom fabric will flow with the top cut, and this is the look we're going for. Cut the top off of a pair of jeans just below the zipper. Separate the pants remaining into 4 pieces by cutting away any seams that hold them together. Create some curves in your pant legs as shown in the image, and add them to the middle of each side, front and back. Get some fabric and lay your creation out on it. Use the wavy cut denim to trace out the pattern for the 4 strips that will be sewn in between the wavy pant legs. If you desire, you can hand paint, use an iron-on transfer, or an applique to recreate the art on the one front pant leg of your skirt. Take a jean jacket and cut various pieces from it, leaving the seams. Then sew lace fabric into everywhere that was cut out. Not that warm anymore, but definitely a gorgeous statement piece. To recreate this look, take a pair of preferably skinny jeans and slit them up the outer sides about to the mid-thigh area. Cut your open legs down the sides to make less jean material at the bottom. Leave a 2-inch gap so the jeans still fit around your ankles and will go over your foot to take off. Last, cut some lace to fill in your slit and be sure to hem all the bottoms. See the image for reference if you have any questions, or you can write me a comment and I will answer it. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video, and if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a creative post. If you like patchwork, this upcycle is for you. To create this look, first make a skirt out of a pair of jeans. The tutorial for this will be coming soon. Next, you'll need to sew on the patches, leaving a seam on the outside to be frayed after washing. You don't just have to use jeans for the patchwork, try some other fabrics as shown in the picture. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.